Everyone, what is up? Today we have a lot to talk about. Listen very carefully and grab your popcorn, guys, because first we're going to be talking about what's happening with the price and whatnot. Then we're going to be talking about Tether, guys. Tether comes into the play once again, but first I wanted to say something. So yesterday I was scrolling down my timeline on Twitter, right? And literally 99% of people are extremely fearful and bearish at this point, meaning they are all calling for lower prices, guys. Very low prices I've been seeing and hearing, right? That tells me one thing. At the top of the bull market, people kept calling for higher prices. Now at the bottom, quote unquote bottom of the bear market, right? Even though not financial advice, by the way, whatever I say in this video is not financial advice. At the bottom of the bear market, people are now calling for lower and lower and lower prices. They won't stop until Celsius is liquidated, 13.6k. This was my target last year, that I thought Bitcoin was going to drop at 13k, right? Now, is this a possibility? Anything is possible, guys. Now, is this a probability, right? Is this highly likely for this to take place? At this environment, it is, but I believe I don't really look at price, guys. I look at what's happening overall. For example, crypto should be bottoming out this month, basically June 18th to July 15th. There we go, guys, which is a 1 month time frame, right? So if we go here, this is why I don't believe we're going to go lower, guys. Listen to this. Kramer says Bitcoin goes to $12,000. Now Kramer, right? We know about him. We observed him, guys. He is always right. He is always correct in the opposite direction, though. Meaning, we're probably not going to hit 12k, but 16k-ish. And guess what happened with Bitcoin, right? Look at this. Bitcoin hit 17.5k, guys. Literally June 18th. The first day of Sol. Is that not just mind-blowing stuff? Right? Now, I did not buy any cryptos at this point because I was asleep. And then we pumped back up, as you guys can see. But I would have probably bought at that price for XRP or XLM or another coin, that whatever you guys like. You know what's interesting, guys? From Moosin, look at this. I have noticed this as well recently. Bitcoin dominance, red. Ethereum dominance, red. Wow. And then XRP dominance in the green. Something seems odd and fishy, guys, doesn't it? People are buying XRP. XRP is holding up very strongly, to say the least, right? If we go back here, I want to show you guys something. Even though I know a lot of people don't like the XRP Bitcoin pairing chart, but Elon Musk did tweet this out a long time ago, right? That this pairing will reign supreme. This is the weekly chart, by the way. XRP Bitcoin pairing weekly chart. Resistance touch point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So many resistance touch points, guys, right? And guess what now? What's happening right now, guys? Well, you look at that. What is happening now? We are so close back to this resistance touch point. Look at that. Super close. Another 10%-ish. We have to break out and hold it, guys, right? So something seems very odd, to say the least. It seems like we're getting closer and closer to it being quote-unquote time. Now, listen to this, guys. Gregory Mannarino is no longer on Twitter, so I am sharing this for him. Greg Mannarino's newsletter. Today, I exited all of my crypto positions. Yes, all of them. He just mailed this out a half an hour ago. If you don't subscribe, you may want to. Repeat. Today, I exited all of my crypto positions. Yes, all of them. Panic sold. What do we think, guys? What do we think? Right now, I'm not too sure of his decision doing this, but remember, everyone has their own game plan. Never follow one person's game plan. You have to create your own and execute your own game plan, guys, at the end of the day, right? Because everyone thinks a little bit differently. Everyone has unique perspectives, to say the least, as well. And you guys already know my perspective. I believe crypto should be bottoming out here very soon, and then we go on a raging bull market for cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, oil, right? It's going to get pretty crazy, guys, before the reset takes place. Then the reset hits, as we do know, the collapse of the whole global economy, right, system. Now, I did tweet this out yesterday, sneak peek number 3 plus 60 XRP giveaway. If you guys would like to try to win, you guys can go ahead and do what it says in the tweet. Announcement of when launch soon as well. As you guys can see, pretty cool, pretty cool. I will have this tweet linked down description below, so you guys can go ahead and follow, guys. Can we try to hit 1,000 followers? I really appreciate it. Now, aside from that talk, let's talk about Terraform Labs and co-founder Do Kwon sued in US courts over collapse of stablecoin Terra USD. Court filing. Isn't that interesting, huh, guys? Just be aware of what's taking place in the cryptosphere. As we see from Watch Your Guru, just in Tether USDT has been under a DDoS attack after receiving a ransom request. What? Right? They always try to make up and come up with BS excuses, to say the least, right? Tether, one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world by market size, came under a massive denial of service attack on June 18. Look at that, guys. According to a tweet from Tether's CTO, the firm received a ransom request from the hackers who attacked its system. He explained that the demand is not unprecedented because they have received it once in the past, as we see right there. And then Tether struggles to maintain stablecoin stronghold, right? Now, but USDC is probably a better option, right? Because of they're at WEF, Brad Garlinghouse, right? All those things, the backings as well. But look at this, guys. It's written in the stars that Tether will go down one day. I don't know the exact specific date, but as we see right there, it's written, right? Guys, the Tether logo, like we talked about a long time ago, looks like an explosion waiting to happen on itself, right? An implosion, to say the least. Look at that, guys. Which decimates everything else that's near it, right? That's attached to it. What is attached to Tether? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and those other coins that made a crazy all-time high. Why did they make a crazy all-time high? It's because a lot of capital inflows from Tether, basically, right? Which equals fake volume. A lot of fake stuff happening in the cryptosphere, guys. This always eases my soul, as we see right here. World Bridge Currency, XRP, guys. Google's telling you this. The digital currency XRP acts as a bridge currency to other currencies. It does not discriminate between any fiat cryptocurrency, right? A neutral bridge. They need a neutral bridge to bridge everything together, guys. Nothing else will work. Only XRP works. XRP is going to play its role, guys, as the heart of the new financial system, which makes it easy for any currency to be exchanged for another. Each currency on the ecosystem has its own gateway, as we see right there. Now, I did tweet this out as well. I am not selling XRP until I see the reset take place. By then, you won't need to sell your XRP, right? So basically, what do we see right here? I'm just going to be holding my XRP until I see the reset, because after the reset is when XRP goes to an insane, like probably 4 or 5 digits at the end of the day, guys, right? Most people will probably sell before those crazy numbers because they're probably not patient enough, even though I believe XRP goes to 3 digits, guys, right? Before the reset even happens, which a lot of people make a lot of money, right? Now, this is the CBBI, as we see right there. Confidence we are at peak is 15. This is how we know we are super low, guys, right? Everyone else is being extremely fearful and bearish at these times. Come on, guys. We probably do have maybe more downside to go, right? 16K, 15, who really knows the exact price, because you cannot time the bottom nor the top, right? As we see right there. Again, I would be accumulating at these levels but not financial advice, guys, to say the least. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have, please like, subscribe, thank you very much. It's an amazing day, guys. See ya. Oh, by the way, guys, this is another thing I believe a lot of people will sell 99.99% of people will sell their XRP before XRP does even go to 4 digits, right? Plus, because XRP should hit 2 digits, 3 digits, not financial advice, before the reset, right? Before 2024, 2025-ish. A lot of people will probably sell then because the collapse is incoming, right? And then they miss out on the next huge gains.